Everything's coming up baking. I love to bake and cook for my family. Yeah. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It is I, Miss Janita, back again with another grocery pantry stock up recipe ingredients staples haul. Got that? I am stocking up on food that I use in recipes often. So these are my recipe ingredients staples. Yes, it is. And that's what I'm here to talk about today. How y'all doing? Hope everyone is doing great. I, for one, I'm a little tired today. I didn't expect it to be this warm today, but it was, and it is. What do we have here? What are you staring at? Well, I know last time I shared with y'all some chicken broth, the reduced sodium kind. Good and Gather, this is a Target brand. So the Good and Gather reduced sodium chicken broth is from Target. The Texas Pete recipe ingredient staple is from Walmart. Yes, it is. The Texas Pete buffalo wing sauce. That remind me, I don't know if I want wings tomorrow or do I want some stew. I don't know. Either one. It might be wings. Yeah, I might have some wings tomorrow. And use my Texas Pete. And I got that tiger sauce. And to get rid of that Ferrano, guys, sauce, I might mix it and doctor it up so I can use it, so I don't throw it away. I ain't throwing it away. I'm going to use it. But yeah, that's what's happening. That's what's going to be for dinner tomorrow. Hot wings or some chicken stew. One of the two. Either one going to be good. How's everybody doing today? Y'all getting y'all groceries? Yes. So that's what's up. So today, do I got any pantry cleaning chores? Oh yes, it's a mini pantry cleaning chores got to be done, but I refuse to get up off my seat in this kitchen to go into a pantry area to share with y'all the goings-ons. I might. Give me a second. Let me share a little spot of pantry chore area cleaning. Hold on. Everything needs to be dealt with right in this area. Okay? Alright guys, that's it. That's all. That's everything. I showed y'all the area around the pantry area that needs to be dealt with. So now I'm about to check out. I'll be back again, I guess, soon. Y'all have a great one. Catch them sales, y'all. Oh, remember, I have a crafting channel. The links is on here somewhere. I have a gardening channel. If you're interested in primitive art, old-fashioned, antique, just crafting, all that good stuff, go to my crafting channel. If you're interested in garden, join the garden channel. Go check it out. Become a subscriber. Support. Thank you so much. And all support is from subscribing, commenting, the thumbs up, hitting that notification bell, and also just hit that playlist. Give me some watch hours. Appreciate y'all. Have a great one. Bye. Everything's coming up baking. I love to bake and cook for my family.